Hey guys, welcome back. As y'all can see, we are doing hair today because what are these? What are these? What even are these? Today I have a style perfect for the girls who need something between getting their hair done. Like, I know getting our hair done at a salon is such a luxury. Like, oh, I love having somebody just do my hair. I sit back, but the prices every month. Sometimes I just want something that's quick, easy, maybe I could take off before bed. So today I'm unboxing my package from ISEE Hair. We are going to be installing this half wig. I'm excited for this hair texture because it's gonna look so natural. It comes with a band that says ISEE Beauty, and then this band, I guess, for the back of the wig, and it's like it has these little grips on it so it doesn't slide. And then they give us a wig cap, perfect, because I don't have one. And they have instructions on how to install the hair. Perfect for anyone who's a beginner, kind of like me. Like, I'm not new to half wigs, but I don't wear them often enough to call myself a pro. We have the wig, and this is in their Kinky straight. I got 24 inches. I did want to go a little shorter, but they didn't have that length available, so I figured I could just cut it. Oh, it smells good. Nah, you know sometimes when you get hair, it don't be smelling good. No, this smells yummy. Okay, I love that. This is the wig. She's gorgeous. You see the texture coming through. They have a band on the inside, and it's adjustable so it can fit your head nice and snug. It also has this adjustable thing, I don't know what to call it. There are combs all around the perimeter of the wig. Y'all, since combing out my locks, I've been having so much fun with my hair. Oh, let me tell y'all what I have. So I have this little section out just for, you know, some leave out. It's not too much, and then the rest I just flat twist. You can easily just put your hair in a low, like, small bun. This works for me. I was a little iffy about the amount of hair left out because I don't know, you know, postpartum edges, girl, literally my little hairs are starting to grow back. Okay, let's put on this wig. Okay, so we have the top comb that's gonna go right at the top of our hair. Snug, and then I'm gonna just pull back. And I love that this hair has like the invisible hairline or whatever. There's no weft. Like, they flip the hair over the weft so you cannot detect that this is a wig. Okay, let's keep putting this on. I don't want to grab any of my leave out, so just try to be careful. Then I'm just gonna snatch it so it's tight on my head. This is it, straight out the box. No styling, no washing, no leave out yet. But yeah, super voluminous. I feel like a lioness or something. Like, very, very cute. Cute flip over. Like, one thing about me, I don't know how to deal with like lace and stuff, because I feel like you can always see the freaking grid. I'm just gonna go ahead and undo these little braids I did. And hopefully, since the hair is braided, oh my god, it literally matches the texture perfectly because I braided it. Wow, genius. I was gonna go with flat twist, but I just ended up doing braids just because I felt like the flat twist kept coming loose. But the braid literally matches the texture of this wig. Oh my gosh. Wow, genius. Okay, perfect. As you can see, you cannot see this wig. Like, you literally cannot. And I didn't even put too much leave out in the first place. But y'all see, like, I have so much thinning right here due to postpartum hair loss. But anybody who's dealing with postpartum, like, hair loss and shedding, like, literally just don't manipulate your edges, please. Just do some low tension hairstyles. And I literally don't even need to do nothing to my leave out right now. I could just, ooh, Ooh, I think I want to go for some wand curls, like some really loose, juicy wand curls. Maybe something that resembles like a Bantu knot out or something. I have this wand curler that I just have not used. I bought it a long time ago. Like, I literally have not even unraveled this cord. I have been looking at this curling wand like, girl, when are you gonna use this? I don't know, I just felt like wand curls might be time consuming. I forgot, like I used to do them back in 2016 and it was kind of time consuming to me, so we'll see. I think I might go this. So it has 2 heat settings, 1 and 2. I'm gonna go with 1 because I burnt myself plenty of times with the curling wand and I don't want those issues, okay? I need to add some layers in this hair real bad. Do I need to watch a YouTube video on how to cut layers? In the middle. I've seen people do this on TikTok. And then what do? You just cut straight across? I'm literally about to learn from somebody who's learning themselves. I love Alyssa. Should I go shorter? I feel like I could go shorter.
Now you want some of this part. You ain't gotta say a word. Just want that, let's get burned. It will roll up 100 bucket.
Alright, let's put that glove on. Or maybe I don't need it.
This nigga got pounds of it all up in his truck. Now we both look Asian. He waving and I'm drunk. I got that shit in my cup. You know what I'ma do to you? I could give reviews to you. Slow, weak, X, and be sipping on that.
Ah! Why is it sliding? Okay, I'm about to put that glove on. Oh my gosh, seriously. I'm gonna go in with the L'Oreal Elnet hairspray. This is a extra strong hairspray, just to keep these curls intact. If you wand curl your hair without a glove, I'm actually scared of you. I found a technique, like you really have to hold the hair taut to the iron and your fingers is grazing it almost every time. So it's like, how are people doing this without a glove? Like, seriously. Okay, friends, so we have officially got all the curls on the back done. I'm gonna go in with my Eva NYC heat protectant. I'm just mist a little bit on my hair because obviously we don't want our natural hair to get damaged. So I'm gonna go roll by roll kind of and make sure I'm grabbing my hair and the wig at the same time.
You get me so high. I know you ain't a truck, but you get me so high. You get me so high. You get me so high. I know you ain't a truck, but you get me so high. You get me so.
So I am almost done. Ooh, I don't have my glove on. Okay. I had to fix this one piece in the front. Okay. Ooh, I'm bold. Okay, this is my hair completely curled, really cute, flowy, and full. You couldn't tell me that this isn't my hair. Like, I could go middle parts, I can go over. It's so cute. Like, it's giving sexy. Look at these curls. Look at the like shine on this hair too. Like, it's so cute, so cute, so cute. Okay, I need to go find me some errands to run because it's in no way I'm looking this cute and staying in the house. Okay, it's no way. That is the end of this video. If you guys love this wig as much as I do, go ahead and check the description box down below. I'll leave all the details, the name of the wig, the link, all the things. And yeah, if you guys try this wig out, let me know in the comments how you're loving the hair, okay? And hopefully, if you're a beginner, this helped you in some way, form, or fashion to just feel a little bit more comfortable using a half wig. As you can see, I didn't even need that much leave out. Please find a wig. Please find a wig. Wig where? Wig where? I don't see her. But yeah. And if you guys enjoyed this video, please give this video a thumbs up, like, comment, share this video, and subscribe to my channel. I will be posting more hair videos. If you guys want to see maybe something different, maybe I straighten this hair. Until next time, I'll see you guys. Bye.